What is the difference between an embossing folder and embossing diffuser? Here I have the 3-pack of oval diffusers here, as well as the snowflake embossing folder. So I'm going to pull out my Big Shot machine and I'm going to emboss a piece of cardstock with that embossing folder. I need 2 plates for this. I'm going to put my paper inside my embossing folder, close it up, put a plate below the embossing folder as well as one above. I have a multi-purpose platform on my Big Shot here with the top tab open. You only need to go one way through. I always do back and forth just because of space on my desk, and you see we get a beautiful embossed image. Now, when I go to use an embossing folder, an embossing diffuser, I'm actually using it with that embossing folder, but I'm going to be using it in place of one of those plates. I put it below that embossing folder, and then I put my folder on top of it and the plate on top of that. That just helps things from sliding in the machine. You could also tape the layers together if you want, but I do find putting that embossing diffuser on the top makes it harder to go through that machine. And you can see exactly what that did with that embossing folder. Where that oval opening was in that embossing diffuser, there was no pressure through the machine. So that part of the embossed image didn't get embossed. You can use this with any regular embossing folder, and it's a great way to just add a little bit of mystery or enhance your embossed papers. You could take that area that's not embossed and you could stamp, or you could add a die cut or whatnot. Just a fun little thing to use with your embossing folders.